Do you want me to take you from Claude beginner to Claude expert? Watch this. Step number 1. Tell it your real goal. For example, you need 20 new customers per month and now it really knows where it have to take you. Step number 2. Give it the task. Tell that you need 30 new business lead for your business. Simple and direct. Step number 3. Give it the context. Upload your document, explain your business and you will get everything you want. Step number 4. What you have to do is to give a format. You want simple English? Just type it. You want simple document? Just let it know. Do this every time and you will get 200% better results guaranteed. Follow the Feed AI for more.